Wegic AI Website Builder Tutorial. Hello and welcome to our channel. On this video, I'm going to show you how you can create a website on Wegic AI. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. And to create an account on Wegic AI, you could also use my affiliate link below the description or earn a small commission at no additional cost to you. And by using the link, you may also get some discount or rewards upon sign up. But before that, if you don't know what is Wegic AI, it is an innovative website builder that harnesses the power of artificial intelligence to simplify the web design process for users of all skill levels, in which Wegic allows users to create visually appealing and functional websites through a chat-based interface, making it as easy as having a conversation. And the AI understands user needs and translates them into actionable design elements, eliminating the complexities typically associated with website development. So now to create an account, just click the link in the description, or you could also click build your site button on the top right corner. And after that, you will now be able to be directed in here. And it will ask you what kind of website would you like to build. And let's say I'm going to choose an event landing page with details, time, and location. And after that, the next thing that you need to do is to simply answer the following question given in this AI. But before we proceed to the conversation, we firstly need to sign up or log in our account on this Wegic AI. And to do that, all we need to do is to simply click the login or sign up button in here. And upon doing so, on this pop-up window, we can choose to sign in using our Google account or continue using our email account in here. But in those options, I'm going to choose to continue or to sign up using my Google account. By simply clicking on the button continue with Google, you'll now be able to be directed in here after logging in. And it will ask you who are you building websites for. And I'm going to choose myself in here, but it will also choose my company, client, or just checking. And after that, to ask you what kind of work do you do with your user search, design, e-commerce, and many more. And after that, what best describe your role at work? And I'm going to choose team manager. And after that, have you created any website before? But I'm going to choose no, never. And just proceed by clicking create a unique website button. And upon doing so, it will automatically be directed in here and to ask you the name of your event page. I'm going to choose the event hub in here. So all you need to do is wait for it to load, and it will ask you in here the language, but I'm going to choose English. And after that, all you need to do is wait for it to load, and it will show in here some other details or a complete summary of the website or event page that we are creating using this AI. You'll hear the website name, website language, type, style, pages, homepage, details, and contact page in here, and even the user requirements summary. So from here, all you need to do is to simply wait for it to load until the website is now ready. And now as you can see in here, it is on the left side panel or some of the options that we can start navigating, such as the homepage, detail page, contact page in here. While on the top panel, you can choose to switch into mobile view in desktop mode. And from here, to start customizing this website, we can proceed by customizing the theme in here by clicking the letter A icon on the top right corner on this editing tools that we can find, or you could also simply click in here this context, and upon highlighting this, we can start choosing or entering here the context that we prefer. For example, I'm going to enter here fabulous event it is, and below you could also start customizing some other context in here that you prefer. But moving on to the theme section, by clicking this icon, you can choose either the color palette in here that you prefer. We have here blue, red, yellow, orange, and many more. And aside from that, you could also change the font style of the header section in here and also the body text in here. And aside from homepage, you could also switch to different kind of pages by clicking on this homepage and switch to example detail page, in which you'll be able to see here the details page on this, and it will show you different kind of context that you could also start navigating and customize, such as to add a context in here or customizing this context on this page. And aside from that, if you scroll down below here, it will show you some other details and elements. And for instance, this section right here, if you don't want the style or layout of it, you can click this regenerate in order to start regenerating by AI the design or layout content of this kind of section. And after that, below it will show you the result of the regenerated AI result in here. So you can click the check icon in order to save the changes in here. Moving on, you could also navigate the editing tools on the right side icon. By clicking this one, you could also make to move up, move down, any other kind of elements in here. And aside from that, by clicking this icon, you could also start changing or selecting here a different kind of icon that you prefer for those specific kind of context. And for this image, by clicking on it, you could also click this image option in order to upload an images from your computer files, or even choose online that is offered for free on this platform. So all you need to do is you simply choose a different kind of images in here, and it will automatically replace it by the image that you select. Now moving on to other section, just click add section in here. And in order to add different kind of contents, you could use on the right side panel or enter here what you want to add to this section. For example, I'm going to add a form section, and by clicking enter, all you need to do is wait for it to load, and after that, it will automatically being added a section of a form in here, which is be requested on the right side panel. So all you need to do is wait for it to load, and it will show you in here the result of the section that has been successfully added by the AI in here. So the section has now been created, and it will show you the location of it below in here. So as you can see, the form is now currently added. We have here 3 options such as Google Forms, Type Forms, and others. And aside from adding a section, you could also start customizing this kind of buttons by clicking on it and start customizing depending on your preferences or color, name, and even the link behind or the link that has been added to this kind of button. Now if you are now done filling out the required information in customizing this website, such as on mobile view and on desktop view, you can now proceed by publishing it by clicking the publish button or this unpublish firstly, and after that, under this free domain, just click publish to proceed. And upon doing so, it will automatically show you that your website is now currently successfully published, wherein you can start copying the link of it and go to the next tab and paste the link, and it will show us what it looks like when a customer or a visitor try to visit our website in here. So from here, we can start navigating our website in here. So basically, the key features of Wegic include personalized customization options, built-in AI assistants that guide users through the design process, and quick launch capabilities with support for custom domains. And overall, that is just basically how you can create a website on Wegic AI. Thank you.